Hey, this is Mark from Ruff, Tuff. In this video, we're going to see all the pieces come together for our 2019 Ford F-250 with diamond quilt inserts in the sewing process. 4 different sewers will work on this project. It's important that every sewer is precise in what they do to make sure that we get that custom fit. Here you see one of our sewers working on our special ops package. Every stitch of a Ruff Tuff custom seat cover is sewn in the USA. Next, you'll see one of our sewers working on the attachment systems. These systems will allow the customer to securely install the seat covers. And here's the finalized product, soft touch brown diamond quilted with our MultiCam trim. In our next video, we'll move on to our quality control.